This last section summarizes what has been covered by this MOOC. Regarding the general workflow of the NanoEdge AI Studio, you should now have all the needed knowledge and material to handle the steps that are not done within the NanoEdge AI Studio. Capturing and formatting the data and integrate the library generated by the NanoEdge AI Studio in an application. As a summary, you should now understand the importance of defining a proper data logging methodology and what are its variables, which can only be defined for specific use case. You also have an application starting point to create your own data logger on the STEval STWin KT1B board, as well as two examples of applications that integrates the library generated by the NanoEdge AI Studio for the two main project types, anomaly detection and classification. You also have a full step-by-step description of these applications, starting from scratch and using both STM32 CubeMX and STM32 Cube IDE tools. So you have a clear understanding of what is board specific and what is not, so you can adapt it to your own selected setup. Finally, regarding the support on NanoEdge AI Studio, your primary source should be the dedicated wiki. Then, the ST community already contains all the answers to the question from the NanoEdge AI Studio webinar and will also be a place to ask more specific questions that could be answered either by ST employee or other customers. Another support channel for one-to-one dialogue with the STM32 technical support is the online support web interface. Another interesting link regarding the STEval STWin KT1B board used in the MOOC is the STWin firmware example repository. This package contains another data logger, a bit more complex than the one used in this training, but which demonstrates how to use all the other sensors of the board. This can be a source of inspiration to extend the simple implementation provided in this course to other types of sensors. So this is now the end of this MOOC. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time in another training.